Check this out, guys.
Our studios. Let's go. Everybody talking AI, but they don't know where to start. Too many tools, too much noise, too many playing a part. Then I found a channel changing everything I knew, breaking down the future into something I could do. No expensive software, no impossible guide, just real like the soils with the shortcuts inside. Every upload dropping gems, every lesson on fire, turning simple ideas into something much higher. From beginner to a pro, every step crystal clear. If you're chasing innovation, then the roadmap is here. One click, one prompt, watch the vision come alive. Now your imagination finally learns how to fly. Don't work harder, work smarter. Let the AI do the heavy lifting. Dream bigger, move faster. Every day the future keeps shifting. Star Studios, that's the place to be. Unlocking tomorrow with AI technology. If you can dream it, you can make it real. Every prompt unlocking something you can feel. Stay connected, never fall behind. The next big breakthrough is right on time. Welcome to the future, this is where it starts. Zara Studios, creating works of art.
I truly felt like a creative genius after watching the music video I created using Freebeat AI. This is absolutely stunning, and because I am not a genius, you also can create this in few minutes. With the help of the AI agent, you don't have to stress it. Just give it one single prompt, an image you'd like to use, and then hit the enter button. Within few minutes, your music video will be fully ready and ready to publish. And guess what? Towards the end of this particular tutorial, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can earn 5,500 US dollars via the Creators Reward Program. Now, without delaying you, let's dive right into the tutorial. Grab the link to Freebit in the video description. It will bring you right here. All you have to do is sign up with your email and you'll find yourself here. You can either click on free video at the top right corner here, or you locate and click on make free video right here. So I'm just going to click on make free video, and this is the creator's user interface. The very first thing you need to create a music video is a music itself, right? So I'm just going to click on add music right here. And there are various ways to add music on this platform. If you already have a song on your device, you can just click on upload music right here, and it will take you to your device and you select the particular music you would like to pick. You could also drop the link to other music generator platforms here like SoundCloud, YouTube, Udio, Suno, and the likes, even TikTok. You could just copy the link and paste it right here, and it will extract the music using just the link you uploaded here. And if you don't have any song at all, not to worry, you can generate a fresh new song right here by just clicking on no music, paste your lyrics, and generate the song for you. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to click on upload music because I have one music in my device already. So I'm just going to click on this one, click on open. Our music has been uploaded successfully. Now the next thing is for you to select the exact duration of the song which you would like to convert into a video. You can do the entire music itself. You can do 10 seconds, 15, 30, and the likes. I'm just going to click on full because I can. So once that is done, click on confirm at the bottom right corner here. And now our song has been added. You can see the song right here. Now, the next thing is for you to give it a brief description of what you would like your video to look like. So I'm just going to paste mine right here. So this is what I wrote. Generate a hip-hop Afrobeat style video with different close-up shots and various video angles, and scenes with people at the poolside dancing to the song, driving scenes, stage scenes should also be added. And that is all. Once you paste what you want here or you type it, you would notice that it makes some suggestions. Like this one is saying under a vibrant sunlight with dynamic camera movement. You know, you can add it if you want. If you don't want that, you can just leave it out. There's also a magic wand here that can help you enhance your prompt. So let me just click on it and let's see what it does to our prompt. And now it has made our prompt better. It has given it scenes, stage angle, close-up angles, poolside scenes, and visual styles and the likes. Now this is fantastic, meaning that you could just drop a one sentence prompt and it would enhance it to something meaningful that the AI will understand better. Now we're going to attach an image of what our artist look like. So I'm just going to click on image right here. This platform comes with inbuilt images that you can use. You can see all of them right here. The decision is yours if you want to use any of this. I don't want that. I'm just going to click on upload and I'm going to upload my artist. Now our artist has been uploaded successfully. So I'm just going to click on it. Make sure it is selected like this. And I click on continue right here. The next thing is for us to select the aspect ratio. So I'm just going to click here and I'll leave it at 16:9, which is the YouTube standard size. If you are creating for TikTok, please feel free to select the aspect ratio that fits the platform you are creating for. For the video resolution, I want at 1080p. And for captions, of course, I want captions. So I'm just going to select that. Come to the right hand side here. These are the available presets. You can select from any of these presets. And if you don't like them, come to the font section. And here you can do a lot of editing to your text. And come to the effect section here. You can select the kind of effect you'd want. I don't want to tamper with any of this. I have a preset I already fall in love with, so I'm just going to be using it. This particular one here, I like it. You can click on play. This is just a music sample to show you what your text is going to look like on your video. So I'm good with this. I'm just going to click on add lyrics and that has been added. Now come down here, click on auto. If you would like to confirm each step of the process, then you can turn this off. But if you want the AI agent to handle everything for you, from image generation to video generation to compiling everything without needing authorization at every step of the way, then turn this on. Of course, I don't like stress, so I'm going to leave it on auto. No need of confirmation. I trust this platform. It's going to do a fantastic job for me. Now come to this section. You can decide to make your music public or make it private. I want it private. I don't want it public. Come here and select the model that will generate your music video for you. I'm going to be using Freebeat 2.0 because this is the recommended one and this is the latest version. And that will be all for all the settings. I'm just going to click on generate right here. And now the AI agent has started the creation process. All you have to do is sit back, relax, get a cup of juice and wait for your music video to be ready. While the AI agent is doing its work, use that opportunity to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more awesome and amazing content like this. Now let's continue. And guys, without doing anything extra, this is what the AI agent has done on its own. This is the music track. This is the audio, the lyrics. It analyzes everything, the visual style, the colors that are supposed to be there, the texture, the brief, every single thing. And this is the reference images, the character, the look of my character, and several other locations that are going to be in this. And this is the jewelry my character is wearing. This is the car she's going to be driving and the likes. So it generated different prompts for each of the scenes and what is going to happen there. And these are the images of each of the scenes that are going to be available in our video. And these are the videos. It has converted all the images into videos right here without me having to do anything extra, like I said. And this is the final video we just created together. I'm super excited. And as you can see, it's almost 3 minutes 30 seconds. If you have any issues, you want to regenerate a particular scene or the likes, all you have to do is come back to the left hand side here and discuss with the AI agent, and it's going to fix whatever you want fixed. Okay, if you're good with what you have, you just click on render and download right here, and it begins to render your video and it's going to automatically download it onto your device. Now that you've successfully downloaded your music video, I just want to show you a couple of things here This is where the conversation happens. If you click on conversation, you see everything that the AI is doing, how it's doing its work, every communication you make with the AI agents. If you come to storyboard, this is where you get to see all the images that was generated, the props, the scenes, and everything. And if you click on studio, this is where you get to see a timeline where you can further edit your videos to your own taste. To edit your video further again, you can also come back to storyboard, click on storyboard right here, and come here and click on this edit button right here. So it opens up this more detailed and more fuller timeline for you that you can work with. And with this, you get to see your lyrics, the videos, and the music itself right here. So feel free to do as you like in the editing section. And once you're good with what you have, just click on the download button at the top right corner here. Now back to the home page. Let me show you how you can access your already generated music. Just click on free music like you want to start a new music. Now come to the left hand side here, the left hand panel here, and click on library. Now locate and click on MV Agent right here. Once you click on MV Agent, you're going to see everything you have ever created on this platform. And you can still go ahead and click on it, and then it brings you back to your storyboard where you can have a conversation with your AI and make any further edits. And once you're done, you can just click on download and download your video again. Of course, I didn't forget, I said I was going to show you how to make about $5,500 on this platform easily. All you have to do is look at the top of your screen on the website and you see some notification pop up here. There are always so many things going on and you'd always see the notification here. Now click on this button right here to scroll to the exact one that shows this particular message you're seeing here. This Win 4,000 Freebeat Real Creator Challenge is live. Now click on enter now, and if it disappears, not to worry, just click on the back button here and it will take you back to it, and click on just enter now and it's going to bring you here. And as you can see, there is $5,500 up for grab. So you could just click on enter the challenge right here. It's going to bring you here. All you have to do is just fill in your contact details right here. And once you're good, hit the submit button and an email is going to be sent to you for the next line of action. Okay, don't say I didn't do anything for you. Try out Freebeat AI using the link in the video description below to access the platform. If you got value from this tutorial, please give it a like, turn on post notification, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because on Zara Studios, we teach you how to use AI to work smarter.
Yeah. Welcome to the future. If you're hearing this, you're already ahead. Zara Studios. Let's go. Talking AI, but they don't know where to start. Too many tools, too much noise, too many playing a part. Then I found a channel changing everything I knew, breaking down the future into something I could do. No expensive software, no impossible guide, just real like the soils with the shortcuts inside. Every upload dropping gems, every lesson on fire, turning simple ideas into something much higher. From beginner to a pro, every step crystal clear. If you're chasing innovation, then the roadmap is here. One click, one prompt, watch the vision come alive. Now your imagination finally learns how to fly. Don't work harder, work smarter. Let the AI do the heavy lifting. Dream bigger, move faster. Every day the future keeps shifting. Zara Studios, that's the place to be. Unlocking tomorrow with AI technology. If you can dream it, you can make it real. Every prompt unlocking something you can feel. Stay connected, never fall behind. The next big breakthrough is right on time. Welcome to the future, this is where it starts. Zara Studios, creating works of art. Want to make a music video? Here's a secret move. Freebeat AI, I've got the rhythm and the visual too. Type one prompt, let the AI agents create professional results without the long wait. Powered by C-Dance, VO3 leading the race. Clean solar, bringing stories into place. information. Every upload builds a new generation. Learning, creating, growing every day with smarter tools leading the way. If the world's moving fast, don't get left behind. Knowledge is the greatest investment you'll find. Every new update, every new release, Seven Studios keeps the inspiration increasing. Starting studios where the future begins, helping creators turn ideas into wins. Smarter workflows, better content every day, showing everyone a faster, better way. Subscribe now, don't miss what's next. The AI revolution is already in effect. We'll keep you updated on every powerful tool, helping creators break every old rule. So if you're ready to create without limits, ready to build without boundaries, ready to work smarter instead of harder, stay with Zara Studios. The future isn't coming, it's already here. This is written if it roughly